Hello viewers, welcome to the top 5 segment of JK News Point. This is your host Harshvardhan Singh and let us begin our segment with the first news. Ahead of the auspicious occasion of Raksha Bandhan, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Pakistani sister Kamar Mohsin Sheikh would not be able to meet him amid COVID-19 crisis. So she has sent the sacred thread to him via post. Sheikh is from Pakistan but is now settled in Ahmedabad after marriage, and this would be her 25th Raksha Bandhan with Prime Minister Modi. Delhi, Maharashtra, Punjab, Karnataka and Tripura are yet to follow directives on timely payment of salaries to healthcare workers engaged in COVID-19 duties. The centre on Friday told the Supreme Court, which said it cannot be helpless in implementing the directions. The apex court also asked the centre to clarify that compulsory quarantine period of healthcare workers is not to be treated as leave and salaries are not deducted for the period. A bench of Justices Ashok Bhushan, R. Subhash Reddy and M.R. Shah told the centre to issue directions for releasing the salaries on time. Eid ul-Adha, which is also known as Bakrid or Eid Qurban, is one of the most important Muslim festivals across the world. This festival, which is also coined as Feast of the Sacrifice, is observed on the 10th day of Dhu al-Hijjah, which is the 12th month according to the Islamic calendar. Eid ul-Adha is one of the two most prominent Islamic festivals celebrated around the globe. The first one being Eid al-Fitr, which is also known as Ramadan Eid. Prime Minister Narendra Modi took to his Twitter handle and wished Eid Mubarak to all. Giving his greetings on the occasion of Eid al-Adha, the PM wrote that may this day inspire us to create a just, harmonious and inclusive society. May the spirit of brotherhood and compassion be furthered.
डर का माहौल तो है, लेकिन उसमें सावधानी लेके हम लोग चल रहे हैं। सारी जो भी मार्च वगैरह हैं हम लोग यूज कर रहे हैं, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग कर रहे हैं।
सर, कैसे आपने पूरे त्यौहार की तैयारी करी?
नहीं, तैयारी तो पहले जैसा तो कुछ है ही नहीं देखा जाए तो। भाई ये है कि 10 मिनट की बात होती है, आप भी देख ही रहे हैं, सिर्फ नमाज पढ़नी है जी। इसके लिए हम लोग मस्जिद, और वैसे भी हर मस्जिद में नमाज नहीं हुई है, कहीं कहीं हुई है।
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि ईदगाह की नमाज नहीं हुई थी, बस आम लोगों की हुई थी, लेकिन इस बार बहुत सारे लोगों की हुई है, मजा आया है, खुशी हो रही है।
क्या क्या तैयारियां करी आपने घर पे, क्या क्या चीजें मंगाई?
खूब चीजें बनी हैं, खूब तैयारी हो रही थी, कुर्ते बने, कपड़े बने, सबके शीर कोरों बना, सबका सब बना, बहुत खुशी हो रही है।
कैसे सुरक्षित रख पा रहे हैं?
सुरक्षित,
खुद को कैसे बचा पा रहे हो?
मास्क पहनना जरूरी है, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग रखनी है, एक दूसरे से जरूरी है।
The Mumbai Cricket Association is set to become the first Indian cricket body with a full-fledged museum to showcase memorabilia from legends. The museum proposal has been prepared by former MCA President Ravi Sawant and has gotten in-principle approval from Sharad Pawar, the former ICC, BCCI and MCA chief. The plan will now be put up before the MCA's Apex Council for its consent. An area measuring 10,000 square feet adjacent to the Gaware Club house has been reserved for the museum. Former MCA President Ravi Sawant told in an interview that a cricket museum was always an aim of the MCA. I felt it was important to rush with this plan when I read about Sunil Gavaskar donating his unique skull cap to a museum in England. I felt very sad that we are not able to showcase such memorabilia in our own country. Bollywood superstar Salman Khan wishes his fans on the prosperous occasion of Eid ul-Adha. Like every year, the superstar treated his fans with his wishes and wrote Eid Mubarak, but his post had a COVID-19 twist. Since the Eid celebrations are restricted this year due to the coronavirus pandemic, the actor made sure he inspires fans to follow all the guidelines to contain the spread of the deadly infection. Salman shared a picture of himself in which he is seen masking his face, which is the most important safety precaution. So that is all for today. We'll see you next time. Till then, have a good day.